Hello, today I am going to be reading Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, a poetry book by Isa Trappini, and I chose this book because it was published in 1994, which was the year I was born. It has some really nice illustrations. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, star so bright, winking at me in the night. How I wish that I could fly and visit you up in the sky. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Little child, your wish came true. Here I am right next to you. I'll take you on a magic ride. So come with me, I'll be your guide. There's so much that you'll see and do on this adventure made for you. Out your window through the sky, up above the world will fly. Higher than a bird would go to places only rockets know. Beyond the plains that soar up high is where we'll travel, you and I. Look around, you little one. There's the moon and there's the sun. See the planets, count them all. Some are big and some are small. Can you name them one by one as they orbit round the sun? Your planet Earth is such a sight. I look at her with great delight. When half the earth is in the sun, the other half I glow upon, for it's my job to twinkle bright on everyone who needs my light. Everywhere I look below, I shed my light and cast a glow. Over cities, over farms, over on babies held in loving arms. How I love to watch them grow as I shine on earth below. Little child, look down with me and tell me what you see. I see puppies in their bed, a pony resting in his shed. Little birds high in a tree and sleepy children just like me. Yes, it's late, we can't pretend. Our magic journey has to end. I'll take you home back to your bed. You'll see me twinkling overhead. Don't be sad, I do intend to shine on you each night, my friend. Twinkle bright, my little star. Watch me safely from afar. Thank you for this magic night and the comfort of your light. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What a special star you are. The end.